In this video, I will be showing you how to use Perplexity AI to generate quick definitions. Let's get started. I'll begin by navigating to the search bar and typing in my first query, what is a chatbot? After I hit enter, Perplexity provides a clear definition explaining that a chatbot is a computer program designed to simulate conversation with human users through text or speech. The results highlight how they use natural language processing to understand intent and are widely utilized in customer support to handle common questions around the clock. Next, I want to define another core concept, so I type, what is an AI model, into the follow-up bar. The AI explains that an AI model is a program trained on large data sets to recognize patterns and make predictions without being explicitly programmed for every specific case. It details how developers feed these models information so they can learn to perform tasks like translating languages or forecasting trends. Moving along, I'll ask for a definition of a technology we see every day by typing, what is a recommendation system? The search result describes this as an AI-driven system that predicts which items a user is likely to enjoy, common on platforms like Netflix and Amazon. It works by analyzing user behavior and filtering through millions of options to present the most relevant products or content to the individual. Finally, I'll look up one more term by typing, what is automation in AI? Perplexity defines this as the use of artificial intelligence to perform tasks with little to no human effort, going beyond simple, repetitive rules. The results explain that AI automation can handle routine jobs like sorting emails or answering FAQs, which helps businesses increase efficiency and allows humans to focus on more complex, creative tasks. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.